Let's go on to the next question, guys. Find the equation of a unique line if it exists. Okay, first question is passing through 1, 2. Now in school, we have seen a statement, and that is infinite lines can pass through a given point. जैसे आपने point draw कर लिया, okay, इस point से you can pass infinite lines, isn't it? Like this, okay. So here we do not have a unique line. Why? Because from this 1.1, 2, infinite points can pass, right? Okay. मतलब we need to find out the exact slope to get the unique line ना. देखो अलग अलग slope के different lines can pass to this point, so I need the slope here, right? मतलब यहाँ पे you cannot have a unique line. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, find the equation of a unique line having slope 2. Guys, slope 2, suppose slope की value 2 ऐसे line denote किया है मैंने, but इसका भी देखो slope 2 ही है ना. Okay, देखो दोनों parallel है, दोनों का slope 2 है, इसका भी slope 2 है, इसका भी slope 2 है, so I can always have series of lines here जिनका slope 2 होगा. Okay, infinite lines, such lines exist, isn't it? Okay, so if I have been given the slope, I also need a point that lies on the line, isn't it? Okay, तो अगर हमने suppose एक point बताया कि हाँ ये point है, it passes through this line, so we have a unique line, right? But this is not given here, so in this case also we do not have a unique line. Okay, and hence no equation can be, no straight line can be possible, and hence equation cannot be found. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में पासिंग थ्रू 1, 2 एंड स्लोप 2. हाँ, अब मुझे एक पॉइंट भी दिया है उस लाइन पे पास होने वाला, और स्लोप भी दिया है उस लाइन का, राइट? नाउ आई कैन फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. हाउ? लेट मी से x, y is the general coordinate or are the general coordinates of the point which lies on this line. Okay, so इस पॉइंट के साथ स्लोप कितना होगा you can calculate, right? y -2 डिवाइड बाय नीचे होगा x -1 will be equal to the slope which is given to you, right? Equals to 2. Okay, so you can keep it as such, or you can further simplify it. Y -2 is 2x - 2, y equals to 2x आएगा. Okay, all right. So guys, whatever we've done right now, it is called as the point slope form. Okay, whenever we are given the coordinates of the point, let's say a comma b, and the slope of the line, okay, m, through this point, then you can always find out the equation of the line as y minus b upon x minus a is equal to m. Okay, I would want you all to just note it down. Passing through 2, 3 and 5, 6. Now, unlike the previous question, they have not given you the slope directly. Okay, they have given you 2 points. This is a line. This is a line draw, right? So what we will do is we will first calculate the slope between these two, right? 2, 3 and 5 का हम slope पहले निकाल चुके हैं पिछले questions में, right? I am being very lazy, I know. Okay, the slope, yeah, you can again calculate वैसे, but yeah, the slope is equal to 1. Now we have the slope and we have 1 point here, right? Okay, so we can again apply the point slope form. Y minus 3 divided by x minus 2. It is nothing but the value 1. Okay, so what we have actually done is we have calculated the slope, right? Okay, let's say I have been given 2 points having coordinates a, b and c, d. Okay, what I will do is I'll calculate the slope between these two. Okay, इनके बीच का slope कितना हो जाएगा? d minus b divided by c minus a. This should be equal to the slope between any point of the line having coordinates x, y, right? So y minus d divided by x minus a. You can also do y minus b upon x minus a. एक ही बात है, okay? Since I have used both the coordinates here, this form of the line, it is called as the 2-point form. Okay, you can make note of this. Okay, given a, b, c, d as 2 points through which the line has to be formed. Okay, what is the equation of this line? Okay, d minus b upon c minus a is y minus d upon x minus c. Okay, that is the 2-point form. Slope 1 and y-intercept 3 units. Okay, guys. So slope दिया हुआ है and y-intercept दिया हुआ है 3 units. Now, what is the purpose of giving you the y-intercept? Okay, y-intercept का basically मतलब ये होता है the distance that the line will cut on the y-axis. Similarly, x-intercept क्या होगा? The distance that the line will cut on the x-axis. Okay, so now if the y-intercept is 3 units, basically they are giving you the point where the line cuts the y-axis, right? Okay, now if a point is lying on the y-axis, उसका x coordinate क्या होगा? 0. So if your y-intercept is 3, the coordinates of this point are 0, 3. X coordinate 0 होगा, y coordinate intercept ही होगा जिसने line cut किया है, right? Okay, so now we have been given the point and we have been given the slope. It is as good as the point slope form only, right? So let's find out the equation of the line in this case. The equation of this line will be point 0, 3 and slope 1. So y minus 3 divided by x minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, if you solve this carefully, this is y is equal to 1 into x plus 3. Okay, so guys, given any slope 1, okay, यहाँ 1 था, सपोज स्लोप अगर यहाँ पे m दिया होगा, okay, इंटरसेप्ट अगर 3 की जगह में सपोज k दिया हुआ होगा, then you can always write the equation of the line like this: y is equal to mx plus k. This is called as the slope intercept form, okay, where the intercept is the y intercept. Okay, slope intercept form of the line. Okay, so slope अगर आपको m दिया हुआ है, y अगर आपको k दिया हुआ है, equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus k. As simple as that. Okay, let's go on further to the next part, guys. Okay, equation of a line with slope 1 and x intercept 3. Now guys, if the x intercept is 3, okay, इसका मतलब क्या है? The line is touching the x axis at the point 3, 0. यही मतलब हुआ ना? From the previous question we can just directly take it. Okay, x intercept means the distance where it cuts the x axis, जो कि 3 units है. Okay, and if it is passing through the x axis, means the y coordinate is definitely 0. Okay, so now you can apply the slope point form. Y minus 0 upon x minus 3 will be equal to 1. So now you have y is equal to x minus 3 as the equation of the line, or you can keep it as such, totally your choice. Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. X and y intercepts 2 and 3 units respectively. So guys, x intercept is 2 units and y intercept is 3. Okay, from the previous questions, iske just पिछले वाले दो questions, if the y intercept is 3, guys, that means the coordinates of this point are 0, 3, the point where the line touches the y-axis. Same way, if the x-intercept is 2, that means the point where the line touches the x-axis is 2, 0. Right? Now we have 2 points. We can apply the 2-point formula. 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 2. In दोनों points का slope. Okay? And suppose x, y is any point on the line. उसका slope क्या होगा? किसी भी एक slope निकाल लो. Okay, let's calculate slope of x, y and 2, 0. Okay, तो y minus 0 upon x minus 2. Okay, ये होगा 3, ये हो जाएगा minus 2. So you can cross multiply. You will have 3x minus 6 is equal to minus 2y. Minus 2y here and 6 on that side will give you 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Now if you divide throughout by 6, guys, you will get a very interesting equation. X upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. What do you notice, guys? This is your x-intercept, right? And this is your y-intercept. Right? So जो हमने अभी निकाला है, guys, this is called as the double intercept form. Okay, if you are given the x-intercept as A and the y-intercept as B, you can directly find the equation of this line as x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Okay, why? Because converting the equation of the line, in this form directly helps you to find the intercepts काफी easily. Okay, जैसे कि अगर आपको ये equation दिया हुआ है, let's say 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, and आपको अगर एक idea मालूम करना है intercepts का, तो what you do is to divide throughout by 6, you get this equation. You directly find out x intercept is 2, y intercept is 3. Very simple, right?
Also, you can directly calculate the slope here as minus y intercept upon x intercept, which is minus b by a.
So you can remember this, okay? A and B अगर दिया है आपको x और y intercepts, the equation is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Since I have been given 2 intercepts, it is called as the double intercept form. Okay, guys, notice that जो भी हम form सीख रहे हैं, सबका underlying principle सिर्फ एक है. That is equating the slope. That's it. Okay, and always remember, जब भी linear equation की straight line की बात आती है, you have nothing else but the slope. That's it. Okay, so let's go on to the next question, guys. Passing through 2, 3 and parallel to the x-axis. Okay, guys, always remember, whenever a line is parallel to the x-axis, uska equation is of the form y is equal to k. Because if you understand, there is a constant value of the y coordinate jahan se line pass karegi, right? So the only way to write the equation is y is equal to k. Similarly, guys, if a line is parallel to the y-axis, then uska equation is of the form x is equal to k. X is equal to constant. Okay, always remember this. Okay, line passing parallel to the x-axis, the equation is y is equal to k. Okay, and whenever a line is parallel to the y-axis, the equation is x is equal to k. Okay, going on further. So a line is passing through 2, 3 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis मतलब इसका equation क्या होगा? Y is equal to some constant. Okay, now this point 2, 3 is basically lying on this line, ना? Right? और उसका y coordinate क्या है? Basically 3. Okay, so it is something like this. 2, 3 एक point जैसे यहाँ पे है, suppose, और लाइन यहाँ से पास कर रही है, right? मतलब इस point का y coordinate क्या है? 3, जो इस लाइन का भी y coordinate है, right, guys? So the equation of this line should be y is equal to 3. right? That's how you get it. The equation is y is equal to 3. Going on further, 3 units from the origin and parallel to the y-axis. Okay, as we saw previously, if a line is parallel to the y-axis, the equation kya hoga? X is equal to k, constant. Okay, now it is 3 units from the origin, right? Ab guys, दो possibility बन सकती है. It can be -3 से पास होने वाला या फिर +3 से पास होने वाला, right? So first of all, you don't have a unique line here. You have two set of lines, and those lines are x is equal to +or-3. Okay, you can also say it is mod x equals to 3. एक ही बात है, right?